Hi guys, and welcome to Trailside Retreat here in Orillia, Ontario. This Airbnb property has an apartment upstairs and downstairs, and today we're staying on the upper level. The space comfortably sleeps 4 adults. There are 2 beds, 1 queen size and 1 king size. Here's the kitchen area. I was so surprised at how big it was, and it has everything you need. A coffee machine, oven, microwave, fridge, toaster, anything. Here's a small sitting area where you can watch some TV, and a place to eat breakfast. Here's the first of the beds, and another little sitting area. This hallway was the entryway. It separates the 2 bedrooms. And this is the master bedroom. This is where Leo and I stayed for the night. It was so open and airy. I loved how many windows this place had. There's a little workstation area. Here's the king size bed, and it's super comfortable, by the way. Here's the bathroom. I loved this shower. It looks so chic. Here's a little close-up of the kitchen. We were so lucky because we had the Eclectic Cafe send us a brunch box. So we had some yogurt parfaits with fresh fruit and granola and some baked goods. This is an option for when you stay in the Airbnb. You can order a brunch box ahead of time, and I highly suggest it. The property is really close to Lake Couchiching. It's about a 5-minute walk. We also went to Quails Brewery, which was about a 15-minute drive. Very much worth a visit. It has an amazing patio. Here's a little bit more of Lake Couchiching. I think it would be so great to bring your family to in the summertime. It was a little cold. As you see, it's frozen, but you can always enjoy a trail instead. There's a lot of areas to hike near the house. We visited the Mariposa Market as well and picked up some treats. There's a strip called Mississauga Street, which has some restaurants, and we visited Brewery Bay.